Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Focus first on the right hand melody. Play the main melody in octave 5 with your right hand. Hear the tune as short motifs and isolate the opening 4 notes, then expand to the first 2 measures. Use a tempo of 100 BPM and a 4/4 time feel so rhythm stays steady. Keep fingers 1-3-2-4 on repeated notes to create smooth legato. Practice short motifs of 2 measures slowly at first, gradually increasing speed until you can play each motif cleanly without counting aloud. Add the left hand as a rhythmic bed. Play simple root position chords with left hand on beats 1 and 3 while holding the chord through beat 4. Use a soft staccato on offbeats to mimic the original texture and create bounce without overpowering the melody. Keep left hand voicings in the middle register and avoid wide leaps. Octave spans are optional. Balance left hand volume to be 20 to 30% quieter than melody, so the right hand remains prominent, and the overall mix matches the game soundtrack. Now combine hands carefully. Start hands separately for 5 to 10 minutes before combining, then play both hands slowly together to align rhythm and fingering. Use a metronome and increase tempo by 5 BPM increments, only raising speed when both hands stay consistent for 10 clean repetitions. Focus on small sections, using looped practice of 2-measure phrases until transitions are secure. Add light articulation and a soft crescendo in the final phrase to emulate the original energy. Then finish with a confident release and slight rubato.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.